Input devices. Now, input devices are those devices that are used for the process of getting data into the computer, right? Now, on the screen there, you can see that there are pictures of input devices. You can see that there is a keyboard. It's one of the most common input devices, the mouse. Then also you have remote controls, scanners, touch screens, webcams, light pens. All those are examples of input devices. At this point, I would advise you to pause the video and discuss in pairs any other input devices that you are aware of which are not on the screen. You can list down the input devices and share with other pairs what you found out as input devices. Central processing unit. The central processing unit is the brain of the computer. It is responsible for all functions and processes. Now, the central processing unit, abbreviated as CPU, is made up of three major components: the arithmetic and logic unit, ALU, the control unit, CU, and the registers. Now, the arithmetic and logic unit is responsible for all calculations, that is addition, subtractions, and etc. While the control unit controls and coordinates the computer components, right? So the control unit gives instructions to other components. It gives instructions to other components on what to do, how to do it, thus controlling and coordination of the activities of the computer. And some of the activities, they are listed from 1 to 5 on your screen. Then the registers are a storage element. So they provide for fast storage for data and processes that are required from time to time by the control unit and the arithmetic and logic unit. Primary memory. Now, primary memory is divided into two types. There's the random access memory, RAM, and the read-only memory. Now, the random access memory is a temporary storage area that is used to store data and information awaiting output, or data and information awaiting processing. So it is a temporary storage area. So random access memory is said to be volatile. That is to say, as soon as power supply is cut off, the data that is in the random access memory is lost. But the read-only memory is a permanent form of storage of data. However, the computer can only read from the memory, but it can only write to it. Hence, it is called the read-only memory. We also have what is called secondary memory. Now, secondary memory provides for storage of data and programs permanently. So even if power supply is cut off, the data stored on secondary storage is still retained. Now, examples of secondary storage media include our hard drives, optical discs. Optical discs come in the form of CDs, DVDs, Blu-rays. We also have flash discs. The flash disk is one of the most common secondary storage media, which people move around with and share information using. Some people call it the memory stick.